What's up guys, Nick with PRL, and today we're upgrading this to this. I'm coming at you from underneath the 23 Integra, where we've replaced the factory motor mount with our billet aluminum rear motor mount. We're utilizing a 68 durometer OEM style EPDM bushing. This style bushing increases the stiffness as you would expect from any aftermarket upgraded unit, while still retaining the durability and vibration dampening that you get from the factory unit. Most other aftermarket mounts are prone to tearing and degradation due to the use of polyurethane bushings that have a press-in center sleeve. Because the EPDM bushing has a molded-in center sleeve, it's a lot more resistant to fatigue and other similar issues. We have this mount available now for all 15T and Type-R Civics. We're still prototyping this mount for the Accord chassis, but we expect to release it soon, so keep an eye on our social media.